Hi, I'm Heather with WTI. My son has been setting up his little office. He's maturing, and it's been a real treat to get to see what his tastes are. He loves the Banku set of two brass lamps that are dimmable by touch. Really made a nice addition to his little office, but as a bonus, since it comes with two, his little brother gets one as well as a little bedside table lamp. We've been impressed with the quality. We love that they come with two so that if you have more than one, there is no fighting. Because it's three-way dimmable and small, it makes it really easy for our little guy to reach out, turn it on so that he's not scared of the dark, and also shut it off right before going to sleep. We keep this close to his bed so that it's a really easy reach for him. He also likes to pull it underneath his little fort to light his area safely. If you're looking for the perfect bedside table lamp, I would swear by this one. He loves it, I love it, and his little brother loves it too, and that's our point of view.